Exposing the secret in sneezing, it actually stops your body. Yeah, you heard that right. For a split second, when you sneeze, all your bodily functions take a quick break. We're talking heart, breathing, and even your digestive system. It's like your body just says, hold up, we gotta deal with this. So, what's happening? When you sneeze, your body releases a burst of air, and this sudden action triggers a reflex that momentarily halts everything. Your heart doesn't stop, but its rhythm is temporarily interrupted. And all this happens in the blink of an eye. Crazy, right? It's like your body has this built-in timeout mechanism whenever you sneeze. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, you're about to hit the ultimate pause button, sneezing. More than just a nose thing, it's a full-body experience. Stay curious, stay sneezing, and keep exploring those mind-blowing facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science tidbits.